So we're in Clovis, California, just finished installing a Rinnai RE199 exterior. So that's the EN series. And so right here, natural gas. So, and then that's the full model number. Serial number up here, you can go to not Bradford White. You can go to Rinnai and register this. I do believe if you register this within, I think it's within 30 days, maybe 60 days, they're going to give you 5 years on labor. Normal warranty is 1 year labor. So if you register this on the website, and I'll let you know about that when I talk to you, then you're going to get some extra labor out of this. 5-year part, like standard part replacement, I believe 10 or 12-year heat exchanger. And so that's good. We just reused the existing mounting screws up here that the unit had. We don't want to go to a different screw and then, you know, cause something to happen with the thread pattern that's already in the wall. So they're snugged up pretty good. I showed the homeowner this before we started. This piece of stucco is cracked. Reason being is when they tighten it down, they over tighten it, and of course there's about maybe a 1/4 inch of stucco on the wall, and the rest is just foam and chicken wire. Anyway, so it's tight. Down here we did use some different screws. Reason being is this unit is taller than the old R85, I think by about 2 inches, and so the existing holes, you know, weren't going to work anyways. Fortunately, there's either blocking here. Sorry, I'll blurry the whole time. There's either blocking back there, or you've got the 1/2 inch OSB for structural support on the wall before the stucco went on. Anyways, you got 2 SPAC screws in there, and those are rated for outdoor. Then of course your electrical tied back in, and inside of here is the old low voltage wire, which is like a sprinkler wire. I think it's just white or bare and white, and that goes to the old controller. Old controller does not work with this new unit. I know they make it one for this. I just don't know about the installation process yet. Have to talk to Rinnai and see what that encompasses. They might want you to run a whole new communication cable, which means if you're over in the laundry room, that'd be through the attic and down the wall and whatnot, and that gets kind of pricey. But anyways, everything's right here on the controller. You take this panel off, technician works on it, whatever's going on with this, and if you do want that second controller, I will let you know about that. Existing gas line, we told you we were just going to tie this back in. There's nothing wrong with it. Gas valve, solid brass, should last the life. Don't like the black fitting down here and the black nipple. That's a black pipe, and because it corrodes. Anything outside, we always use galvanized, the pipe coming out of the wall, like for a gas line, and then a galvanized, and that resists it. Anyway, so full 3/4 inch connector. And then here we give you a new Jones-Stevens isolation valve kit. We'll send you some information on how to flush it, YouTube video, different components that we use, the pump, the hoses, whatnot. It's pretty straightforward. And then just reinstalled your existing relief line back down to here. It is 6 1/4 off the ground. Minimum is 6, maximum is 24. And then of course we tied it back in, hard copper back up. So it's really rigid. You know, if you pull on this, this thing's not moving around. Sometimes we can't get it tied back in. We have to use flexible connectors similar to these, not gas lines, but water lines that are corrugated stainless steel. But in this case, we got hard copper in here, press fittings, and then of course insulation, and then just taped it. We've come back after a couple years when we have units that sit in a lot of sun throughout the day, and the foam insulation is just melting. So we wrap it with the electrical tape, and then on the top you've just got some 20 mil tape just around the top to kind of cap off the top, and just keeps this a little bit warmer in the winter time. Anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.